You come around here, see some sundials there. See the cafe over here. And then in this section, right here is massive crosses as part of a fountain structure. Doesn't say exactly where, but it was a fountain structure that was built back in 4th, 5th century. So these are found approximately 100 meters west of the theater. So on these structures you can notice it looks like the head of a deer. The deer that pants after the water would be a fountain of water. Refreshment of the fountain of life, of eternal life. You see grapes images of representing of Christ's death and his blood shed for us. More water panels. Acanthus leaves of eternity. Again, flourishment coming out of the water, out of the vase, out of the fountain. And again over here, seeing the Psalm 42 deer that pants after the water brook. And so our souls pant for you, O Lord.